Yes, good morning, my dear students. In the last class, we have to discussing about the second chapter, that is about India. About India. Chapter number second. About India. About India. Here. So the last class, so we have to discussing about the physical features of India. So we have to discussing about that, the physical features of India, like the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Deccan Palace, the Great Indian Desert, the Palace region, the coastal plains, the islands. Okay. so which are the two great the islands of the India? These are the Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep island. Those things they have discussed in the last class. Now in the today's session, we are studying about the political division of India. Political division of India. Political divisions of India. Here, so in the last classes, so we are discussing only the physical features. The which kind of land it has, and which kind of the mountains it has, and which kind of the plains India has. Those kinds are those points we have studied in the last period. We want about India, it means including the political background also we want political background. There are so many divisions in political sector, the political sector. Let us be discussing the political divisions of India. Political divisions, it means how many states are there, then how many union territories are there, and how many the states and its capitals, those who are ruling in the union government or in state government or in union territories, including those matters. Dear students, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ವಿಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ. ಬೈ ದಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, the whole nation we should divide that states and its capitals, the union territories, the particular states and capitals ruled by the union government has ruled by PM and his cabinet. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹುಡುಗ ಹೆಂಗಿಲ್ವಾನೆ, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಟು ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ only, not for the whole school. It is only applicable for your fourth standard. Okay, here that the same has ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಗುಡ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ Delhi is the capital of India. Capital of India. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Dear students, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ನವದೆಹಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Then second one is it lies in National Capital Territory of Delhi. Yes, it lies in the territory of the capital territory of Delhi. ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ದೆಹಲಿಯನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ. Our country is governed from New Delhi by central government. Our country is governed by central government. Central government. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಇದಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಆಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ರಾಜ್ಯಭಾರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಡ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ which is headed by the Prime Minister of India. The central government. Who was the head of the central government? So who is the head of the central government? Yes, Prime Minister of India. Dear students, who is the Prime Minister of India now? So Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. The central government is the leader of the government, the Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister of India. Next one. See here, India is the large country, so to govern it better, India is divided into 28 states. 28 states. The national 28 states and 8 union territories. Union territories. Union territories. 28 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು 8 ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡದ. The India has includes how many states? 28 states. And how many union territories? The 8 Indian territories are there. Dear students, shall I ask the questions here? Okay. How many states are there in India? When you come to the class, when you come to the offline classes, everyone must by heart 21 states and its capitals. 21 states and its capitals. After that, I'll tell the 21 states and its capitals. You should by heart all those states and its capitals. It is very, very important. For your logic purpose, you should by heart it. 28 states and its capitals. And so each state has its state government. Each state has its state government. So for example, which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bengaluru. Bengaluru. You don't write like that. Bangalore. It is cancelled. You should write in Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of, yes, Karnataka. Each state has its State government. And so which headed by the chief minister of the state. Who is the head of the state government? Chief minister. Who is the present recent chief minister of Karnataka? Who is the recent chief minister of the Karnataka? Basavaraj Bommai. Recent chief minister of the Karnataka. The former chief minister Mr. Yediyurappa has resigned the chief minister post. The leaders, the BJP, they has chosen the Basavaraj Bommai. He is the chief minister of Karnataka government now, isn't it? The each states head, each states are ruled under the chief minister of the state. ಆಯಾ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅಧೀನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್? ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್. He is the head of the state. Understand, dear students? Okay, fine. Here the national capital territories of Delhi is union territory. Each union territory is directly governed by the central government. Already I told. Here 8 union territories are there. Each union territories worked under the central government, directly governed by the central government. The central government has appointed the governors to the union territories. Union territories, isn't it? Yeah. So, how many states are there in India? In some other books, 28 states are there, and in some other 28 states and 7 union territories are there, and in some other textbooks 29 states and 7 union territories are there. ಕೆಲವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 29 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ 7 ಕೇಂದ್ರಾಡಳಿತ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ the 28 states and 8 union territories are there. Which are those? Let us we will discussing about that the states and its capitals. Now I am telling about the union territories and its states and its capitals. Yes, once again you should watching this video, and you every day you should by heart the states and capitals. Here Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Next, Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. You must practice by alphabetical order. You must practice the names of the states by alphabetical order. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar and Jammu. There are 2 capital cities are there for the Jammu and Kashmir. In the summer season they have held the session in Srinagar in summer season. In the winter sessions, any other meetings they held in Jammu in the winter season. Then Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru. Then Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Then Mizoram, Aizawl. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Odisha, Bhubaneswar, not Bhubaneshwari. Bhubaneswar only. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Then Telangana, Hyderabad. Telangana, Hyderabad is the capital city of the Telangana, the newly formed state. Recently formed the state Telangana. Then Tripura, Agartala. Tripura, Agartala, it is the capital of Tripura. Then Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, which is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Then Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Uttarakhand, the capital name of the Uttarakhand, that is Dehradun. Then West Bengal, Kolkata or Kolkata. West Bengal, Kolkata. These are the 29 states and its capitals. 29 states and its capitals. And the 7 in your textbook, already I told, don't confusion. So in your textbook, 29 states they had given and 7 union territories are mentioned. In some other textbook, 28 states are there and 8 union territories they had mentioned. According to your textbook, the 29 states are there, 7 union territories are there. Once again, you should refer your textbook in your home. So which are those 7 union territories and the capitals? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Then Chandigarh, its capitals. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvas, Daman and Diu. The capital of these union territories, that is Daman, Diu Daman. National capital territory of Delhi, New Delhi. Already I told that Delhi has considered as the union territory, it is ruled by the union government. Already told when I explained that political divisions of the India. Here, Lakshadweepa, Karavatti. Then Puducherry, the capital is also Puducherry. These are the states and 29 states and its capitals and 7 union territories and its capitals. This is finished the lesson. So in the next video, so I will send PDF file for that lesson. Okay, thank you.